Galata Tower, a timeless icon of Istanbul. Welcome to Istanbul, where continents meet and history breathes through every stone. And rising proudly above the city's skyline is the Galata Tower, a timeless symbol of this enchanting metropolis. Built in 1348 by the Genoese as part of their fortified district, the Galata Tower has watched over Istanbul for centuries. Back then, it was called the Tower of Christ, and it served as a critical lookout, protecting the city and its harbor. With its unique conical cap, cylindrical body, and medieval stonework, Galata Tower blends European Gothic architecture with Eastern character, perfectly reflecting the spirit of Istanbul itself. At nearly 67 meters tall, it was once the tallest structure in the city. Today, it offers panoramic views that stretch across the Bosphorus, the Golden Horn, the Hagia Sophia, the Blue Mosque, and the endless sea of rooftops that make up this magical city. But Galata Tower is more than just a beautiful view. It's also the setting for one of Istanbul's most famous legends, the flight of Hazarfen Ahmed Çelebi. In the 17th century, this Ottoman scholar supposedly launched himself from the top of the tower with homemade wings and flew across the Bosphorus to Üsküdar, making him one of the earliest aviators in history. Over time, the tower has served many roles: a prison, a fire watchtower, even an observatory. Each stone holds stories, whispers of empires, and echoes of civilizations. Today, it stands as a museum and observation deck, welcoming visitors from all over the world who come to feel the wind above Istanbul, to see its layers of past and present in one sweeping gaze. So, if you ever find yourself in this city of contrasts, make your way to Galata. Climb to the top, take a deep breath, and let the magic of Istanbul unfold before your eyes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel stories, hidden gems, and cultural wonders from around the world.